So in my most recent video, I mentioned that I think somebody might be phishing product from my machine, and after looking at it, I think I figured out how they've done it, if in fact that is what happened. And I'll show you a quick example here. Just kind of go down the line with my items. I think they're lifting up on the coils through the trapdoor, and bam, some of the snacks slide right out. It's really this one that's been the problem, and I think I've got an easy solution for that. Again, they may not even be doing that, but I know some people have had issues, so I figured this might work for others as well. And what we'll do is just open the inside door here, and right under the first row of snacks there is where I'm going to be installing a anti-theft bar.
Alright, so here are the anti-theft devices for a Futura 3589. My first prototype was pretty cool. It seemed to work out, but it was sagging a little bit when I came back to check on it because these magnets weren't so strong. I'd pulled these out of a microwave and just super glued them in. So on my new model, I've cut it just a little bit shorter, painted it black. And on the back of this guy, I'll be putting these super strong magnets on there. There's 5 or 6. And they're so strong that they have to have spacers in between when they ship them. I actually broke one already because they snapped together so hard, but I'll be putting those on the back of this guy and then installing that on the machine, and that should hold it pretty securely. I'll show you how strong these are. I just got 3 of them here with a spacer. Put it in my fist. It's pretty crazy. And I did get these magnets off of Amazon. I think they were $8.99 for 6 or 8 of them. They came with these 3M strips, and all I'm going to really do is basically evenly space them on the back of this bar, and then we'll get it installed. Alright, we got the 3M strips on, and the magnets are on. So the idea behind this whole thing is that it's going to stick on to the machine just under the first row of snacks. So this will be the side profile, and then if somebody was to come in through the door underneath with any kind of a fishing tool, hopefully this is going to stop them from being able to get up and push the coils up. This one worked pretty well. I've only had it on there for about a week. I didn't really notice any more phishing attempts that I could tell. I didn't see any missing product. It just didn't really have the holding power that I was looking for. All right, so we're going to head over to Sam's Club to get a couple of items so we can stock the machine back up. We'll be pulling some cash, but most importantly, we'll be installing this bad boy, and then we'll check on the results after a couple of weeks, see if any products have been stolen or not.
And here's a few of the products that we'll be taking over to the location. Okay, so now that we're here, I'll show you exactly how to install it. Just click it right into place, right up under the first row of snacks. I think this should solve the problem if there is one. And it doesn't even look too bad inside the machine. Looks like it's supposed to be there. And to get a better idea of what I mean, we'll go inside the trapdoor and look up. You'll see the bars right there, which would make it difficult if you were sticking something metal up there to try to get items out of the machine. But the downside is if somebody's tall like me, they can almost reach their arm all the way up into the snacks. So what I might actually do is come back and do some work and maybe add some sort of a door to minimize access on the bottom hatch. If I do, I'll let you know. And while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the cash box. Let you have a look and see. This is probably about 2 weeks worth. So it's a decent stack. It actually had several 5s in it. So definitely not a bad haul for a couple of weeks. Needless to say, I'm happy to be turning a profit. I've also been letting the change box kind of collect. It's a pretty large box, but go ahead and take these with me today and let you have a glance at it. It's also probably about a couple of weeks worth of change. And just as a side note for you vending guys, it might be cool to look through your change. I found this 1949 nickel, which is pretty sweet. You don't really see much stuff from the 40s anymore. And that's that. We'll go ahead and get everything loaded up. Hopefully give it about a week or so, I'll say, and we'll see how the anti-theft bar performed. Take care.